Hello everyone. Mom, explain to the viewers what we are going to do today.
We're going to start the day by drinking coffee in a coffee shop with a view of the ocean.
That's right.
A coffee costs maybe, I don't know, €1 at max?
65 cents.
65 cents for a little coffee and €1 for a bigger coffee.
Look at this, it's a marknad. No, it's a fera. It's a, what's it called in English? Market. Look at all this fruit from all the farmers. And look at this, this is a portable bakery.
Wonderful bread.
Portable bakery. With lots of good stuff. What did you order?
I ordered my wonderful coffee, which will taste marvelously.
Tem um cão que é lá fora,
Okay.
da Praia da Missandra.
I didn't order anything.
I don't know why. You should
Not hungry.
You're not hungry? But you didn't eat breakfast.
Well, I'm hungry, but I don't want to spend money.
Yeah, but
I'll eat special K at home.
no, you can have a tosta mista.
No.
Tosta mista?
You can have an empty pocket. No. Now we're leaving the restaurant to go home.
Yes, we're just gonna look at the waves.
Like yesterday. What did you buy?
Spinach and strawberries.
Great.
1 hour later.
Rodrigo, Toningo, Ricardo. They're packing up the car to go to Setúbal.
Enrique Zapatos.
I'll show you a map right now of where we are. We're here in Sintra, Colares, and we are going to Setúbal. And we have all that we need. We have camera charger, because I've only got it's blinking red. I've got the portable speaker. I've got all the camera stuff and the drone here. So we're all set to go. See you in a bit.
1 hour later.
So now we're here in Setúbal. Everybody tired watching the game. Well, now we're going to play football with the hairball.
Aí eu vou aparecer um gordo.
Hey Vasco.
Isso vai para o YouTube, não vai?
Vai.
Eita, vai.
YouTube, here we come. Yeah. Oh. Shoot, Vasco. Let's get a fudge out of here.
We haven't done a shit.
Vasco. What was your intention with that?
Eu não sei, não sei. É melhor ir para o campo.
What? Can you click on it? No, it's always dripping. It's broken. Tu ainda jogas Skate 3? Do you still play Skate 3?
I borrowed to a friend of mine like 2 years ago.
Never
has
give
it.
it back.
No,
But it's still for PS3. No one plays PS3.
no, he plays.
No more. But it didn't come out to PS4,
No.
right?
No, I don't know why.
Ah, yeah. That would
Yeah.
be awesome.
I guess
Well-
Skate 4 would be awesome.
Yeah. Okay, let's speak to the camera. We're going home now. I mean, we're going to the Freeport to buy some stuff, but I don't think I can film there, so we'll just have to say goodbye. And
can
see you in a
film
minute.
there.
Can I film in the stores? No, it's so complicated, all the guardas.
But
So we'll just have to say goodbye now.
Mas say goodbye to what?
To the viewers and the vlog.
Vitor, aquilo é ao ar livre. Lá fora podes filmar à vontade.
Speak
Olha,
English.
pronto, apareci agora 3 meses depois, sabe?
Okay, we'll just have to say goodbye. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.